In this video, we're going to talk about two of the most interactive features in Power BI reports, filters and slicers. Filters and slicers are extremely similar concepts, and both are used to filter data in your report in order to hunt for insights. This lesson will highlight both tools in detail so that you can determine which to use for different Power BI projects. But first, let's pause to define filtering, since this concept is central to this lesson. Think about how you shop for something online, and imagine you're going to your favorite marketplace website to buy a yellow chair. How would you do it? Your first step might be to click through the menus that help you quickly sort through millions of items to find what you need. These menus help you bypass bedroom furniture and kitchenware and guide you to living room furniture. Next, you might make selections that help you narrow your search down to the type of chair you want. Then your next selections help you pick out a color that fits your style. Eventually, you find the perfect chair and you add it to your cart to purchase. Filters help guide you from millions of options to the handful of meaningful options that you want to compare. In Power BI, filters and slicers serve almost exactly the same purpose, except instead of searching for furniture, your users are searching for the data insights that they need to answer a specific business question. Filters and slicers are two extremely similar tools with a common function. They help users explore business data by separating data they don't need from the data that they do. Your role is to help make this process simple and flexible so that they can get as many insights as possible as quickly as they can. Filters in Power BI are configured using the filter pane, which is next to the visualizations pane in Power BI. With the filter pane, you can apply any fields from your data filter to specific visuals, specific pages, or to your entire Power BI report, as you see here. Now let's say we have a fake report that contains a bunch of video game data for 3 different gaming platforms. Notice that when we apply a page-level filter to only show one platform, now all of the visuals are only showing data for the specific platform that we selected. Slicers are extremely similar to filters, except they refer to a specific visualization called the slicer visual. Unlike filters, slicers go on your report alongside other visuals, as you see in this picture, and are much more customizable, which we will discuss later in this lesson. Slicers work the same way filters do. Users make selections to filter the underlying data, and visuals on the page update automatically. As a Power BI developer, you will probably use filters and slicers all the time. If your users need a lot of filters, the filter pane may be the best choice. The filter pane keeps all your filters in one location, and you can hide or lock filters if you need to keep users from changing them. The only downside is that your users may find the filter pane a little awkward to use at first. Slicers, on the other hand, are highly visible because they go right on the report page and also have a lot of customization options. However, too many slicers can also add a lot of clutter to your report. Personally, I prefer a hybrid approach. As long as your users are clear about where to find what they need, a hybrid approach can help you balance clean design while also giving users what they need to filter the data.